I'm at Simkins. And we are taking a look at some pool decking that has fallen in and sagged, and also a set of steps. First of all, the pool decking. There's two issues. We need some more vertical support posts on concrete pads, probably 3 or 4 of them across this lower span of deck. And then we need to do some carpentry to reattach the joists. The set of steps is pretty straightforward, just needs to be removed and replaced. There's a short landing, it's all pressure treated. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 risers, 4x4 pressure treated. It looks like the landing itself is okay. Several columns, need to put them all in concrete. Not a terribly big job. The worst part of the sagging deck
GPS signal lost
is around the corner, up near the right rear corner of the house, especially of the new deck. She thinks it's a lot of structural sagging. There's not really terribly. I don't think any of the right-hand side necessarily needs to be resupported. There's some deflection, but not much, not awful. Nothing to be, it's not expected. The worst part is caved in a bit. There's about a 8-foot section that's worse than all the rest of it, and it needs mainly carpentry work. Probably some other posts, another post or two, but mostly joists, some additional joists and some hangers and some better attachment points. Trying to keep this very cost effective.